In Excel, the paste option on the toolbar lets you quickly insert copied data into another location. Once you copy a cell or range, click the drop-down arrow under the paste icon to see more options. If you choose Paste Values, Excel will only paste the actual numbers or text, without any formulas or formatting, perfect when you just want the final results. On the other hand, Paste Formatting applies only the look, such as font, color, and borders, from the copied cell, keeping your existing data unchanged. Using the right paste option saves time and keeps your spreadsheet neat and accurate. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more quick Excel tips, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to help others learn too.